Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm doing a quick video on my stateroom here on the Norwegian Breakaway. I'm doing a solo cruise and I have an Oceanview room on deck 5. And this is what it looks like. This is my first time on the Breakaway and so far I'm pretty impressed. It's my understanding that they just did a bunch of renovations and have improved the look of the ship. So this is a great, excuse me, this is a great bed. Looks like it's possibly a king size bed, which would be 2 singles put together. And there's the ocean view window. You've got entertainment system in here, a safe with shelves in the closet, lots of hanging space. So as soon as I'm done with this video, I will be hanging up my clothes to help release some of the wrinkles. That's the cabin door, and this key stays in there because that keeps the lights on. So if you take that key out of that holder, the lights will go off. There's the bathroom. There is a step up and down into it. I already see it's going to be a problem with this step. Nicely appointed. Here's your shower. Not a bad size at all. I have been on the Norwegian Sun and I have been on the Jade. So this is the first time I'm on the Breakaway, and so far so good. I will bring you some highlights throughout the weekend, actually throughout the week that I am cruising. Take care.